Welcome back, girls. Now we are reading Thank You Ma'am by Langston Hughes. In my previous class, I have completed the first paragraph of the story. There we found a large African lady with a large purse was returning home at about 11 o'clock at night. An urchin ran up behind her and tried to snatch her purse. But the boy was too weak to carry the load of the heavy pocketbook, so he lost his balance and fell on his back on the pavement, on the sidewalk, with his legs flew up. Then the lady reacted rather coolly. She just turned around, found the boy back on the sidewalk. She kicked him right square in his blue-jeaned seater. Then she stooped. Then she picked the boy up by his shirt front and shook him till his teeth rattled. Now, let's continue. After that, doing these 5 things, the lady said, "Pick up my pocketbook, boy, and give it here." The lady ordered the boy to pick up her purse and to give it to her. She still held him. How? She was holding his shirt front. She was gripping tightly his shirt front. But she bent down enough to permit him to stoop. She was holding him tight, but she allowed him to so that he could stoop and pick up the purse. Then she said, "Now, ain't you ashamed of yourself?" Underline ain't. We know that ain't is the shortened form of am not. So, if it is ain't, the right subject should be I. I am not, ain't I. But here, the lady used am not with you. It should be aren't you, are not you. But she said, ain't you ashamed of yourself? From this utterance, we can well imagine that the lady was not educated. She was not much educated. But we know that she is a working lady, but she is not well educated, so she made this grammatical mistake. Instead of aren't you, she said ain't you. Clear? Firmly, what is the meaning of firmly? Tightly. Gripped. What is the meaning of gripped? Seized. SEIZED. শক্ত করে ধরে থাকা. By his shirt front. Still, she was holding the boy by his shirt front. The boy said, "Yes, ma'am." When the lady asked the boy, "Aren't you ashamed of snatching my purse? Aren't you ashamed of stealing my purse?" The boy, without a delay, answered promptly, "Yes, ma'am." The woman said, "What did you want to do it for?" This is also something unconventional. When we catch a thief red-handed, we start punishing him. We never ask for the reason. Why were you trying to steal my purse? So this reaction is also unusual. তিনি ছেলেটিকে মারধর না করে জানতে চাইলেন, কেন তুমি আমার পার্সটা চুরি করতে গেছিলে? The boy said, "I didn't aim to." Means, I didn't wish to steal your purse. I didn't have any intention to steal your purse. So, it is a lie. The boy is lying. If it was not your intention to steal my purse, then why did you give it a tug? তাহলে পার্সটা ধরে টানলে কেন? তাহলে ছেলেটা মিথ্যে বলছে. It's very obvious. It's very clear. She said, and the lady well understood this and she replied, you a lie. It should be you a liar. Liar মানে মিথ্যেবাদী আর lie মানে মিথ্যে. But she said, you a lie. By that time, while these things were going on, 2 or 3 people passed. Why? It was late at night. There were less pedestrians. পথচারীর সংখ্যা কমে গেছে, রাত্রির হয়েছে. Some stopped. 2 or 3 people were passing by. Some of them stopped being curious. কৌতূহলে তারা দাঁড়ালো. What's happening? কি ঘটছে দেখার জন্য. Turn to look. কেউ পেছন ফিরে দেখলো what is going on. And some stood watching. Some left the place. After seeing what was happening, they found that a lady has caught a boy thief. So they was no more interested to see what will happen, what would the lady do with the boy. They left the place. And some people, they were much curious. They wanted to know the outcome, the result. So they stood there watching. If I turn you loose, will you run? Asked the woman. It is a strange question for the boy. The boy couldn't understand the reactions, the questions. This is something unexpected. He never expected that the lady would ask him, what is the reason? Why did you want to snatch my purse? And now, if I turn you loose, will you run? Is it necessary to ask this question? It is obvious. If you turn me loose, I must run. So the boy answered, yes, ma'am. Then the lady said, then I won't turn you loose. Won't means will not. Then I will not turn you loose, said the woman. She did not release him. What is the meaning of release? Set free. তাকে ছেড়ে দিলেন না. তাহলে কি করে থাকলেন? She still held the boy tightly by his shirt front. জামার সামনেটা এখনো খামচে ধরে রয়েছেন. I am very sorry, lady. I am sorry, whispered the boy. ছেলেটা এবার মরিয়া হয়ে ফিসফিস করে বলল, আমি খুব দুঃখিত. I am sorry for what I have done. যা করেছি আমি খুবই লজ্জিত, খুবই দুঃখিত. So never pronounce it as hum. It should be pronounced as negation. It's a negation. আমরা না বলি কি করে? সেটাই. And your face is dirty. Because the boy is an urchin, poorly dressed, shabbily dressed. I got a great mind. What is the meaning of I got a great mind? It is a colloquial version. I have decided. আমি ঠিক করেছি, মনস্থির করেছি to wash your face for you. I will do wash your face. You should wash your face yourselves, but I find you that you are dirty enough, so I have decided to give you a wash. Then she continued, ain't you got nobody home? So there are 2 mistakes. Ain't you got? It's wrong. It should be haven't you got? And another thing, nobody home. Ain't, there is a not, and nobody, there is also a no. So double negation means positive, but the lady actually wished to ask, haven't you got anybody at home? তোমার বাড়িতে কি কেউ নেই? But she used double negation. What did she say? She asked, ain't you got nobody home to tell you to wash your face? Who tell us to be tidy, to wear clean clothes, to go and wash your hands, especially during this COVID pandemic? washing is a very essential part of our life. So, who is obsessive with this process of cleaning and washing? বলো, ধোয়া ধুই কাচাকাচি এসব নিয়ে সব থেকে বেশি বাতিক কার থাকে? মায়ের। তাহলে she meant it, but she didn't ask directly. She could have asked, you don't have your mother at home? But it is a very sensitive question. If the boy answered, no, I have lost my mother, it's something painful, both for the lady and for the boy. So she asked it in a roundabout way. She asked, haven't you got anybody home to tell you to wash your face? মুখ ধোয়ার কথা বলার জন্য বাড়িতে কেউ নেই? No, ma'am, said the boy. The boy replied, I don't have anybody to take care of me, to love me, to guide me, to bring me up. Then it will get washed this evening. Very conclusive, very precise, very straight answer. No sympathizing, no sentimentalizing. She never said, ahare, ma nei. না, এগুলো করলেন না। She gave a practical answer. একটা বাস্তবসম্মত উত্তর দিলেন, ঠিক আছে, let it be, কেউ নেই তো নেই। So I will make you wash your face. আমি তো আছি, আমি তোমার মুখটা আজকে ধোয়াবো। Evening, evening মানে এখানে night, said the large woman, starting up the street. Here starting up the street, she starts walking. কথা বলতে বলতে হাঁটতে শুরু করলেন। কি করে? Dragging. What is the meaning of dragging? Pulling, টানা। The frightened. What is the meaning of frightened? Scared, ভীত। Boy behind her. সেই যে জামার সামনেটা ধরা আছে, ছেলেটা তার সাথে আসতে চাইছে না, সে পালাতে চাইছে, সেই জামার সামনেটা ধরে তাকে টানতে টানতে তিনি নিয়ে আসছেন। He looked as if he were 14 or 15. Highlight. He appears to be 14 or 15. তাকে দেখে বয়স মনে হচ্ছে 14 বা 15। Frail মানে weak, 3 questions তুমি পেয়েছো, thin, weak. And willow wild. Willow wild. Willow is a tree. So what is the meaning of willow wild? Like an untrimmed wild willow tree. উইলো গাছের কেউ পরিচর্যা করে না, বনভূমিতে জন্মায়, প্রকৃতির নিয়মে বড় হয়। তাহলে এ বাচ্চারও কোনো পরিচর্যা নেই, এ যে প্রকৃতির নিয়মে জন্মেছে, আপন মনে বেড়ে উঠছে, তাই তার যত্নের অভাব, পরিচর্যার অভাব, সেটা তাকে দেখে বোঝা যাচ্ছে। তাহলে উইলো ওয়াইল্ড মানেটা বোঝা গেল। ইন টেনিস শুজ, হাইলাইট দ্য হোল পোর্শন। তার পায়ে টেনিস শুজ, অ্যান্ড ব্লু জিন্স, দ্যাট উই হ্যাভ নোন অলরেডি when the lady kicked him in his buttocks. পেছনে যখন লাথি মেরেছিলেন তখন বলা হয়েছিল ব্লু জিন্স সিটার, ব্লু জিন্স পরা পেছনে লাথি কষালেন। তাহলে হি ওয়াজ ওয়ারিং ব্লু জিন্স, হি ওয়াজ ওয়ারিং টেনিস শুজ, অ্যান্ড দ্য বয় লুকড as if he was 14 or 15. He was frail and willow wild. That is the description of the boy. It may come as a part of a broad question, and it would carry 2 or 3 marks. The woman said, underline, you ought to be my son. Ought means should. You should be my son. So, here the large lady wished to be the mother of an urchin. একটা অনাথ, আতুর, অযত্নে বেড়ে ওঠা কিশোরের মা হতে চাইছেন তিনি। I would teach you right from wrong. So what is the basic duty of a parent? Langston Hughes here focuses on the principal duty of a parent. বাবা বা মায়ের প্রাথমিক কর্তব্য কি? প্রাথমিক কর্তব্য হলো বাচ্চাকে ন্যায় অন্যায়ের তফাৎটা শেখানো, টু বিল্ড আপ হিজ মরাল ক্যারেক্টার। তার নৈতিক চরিত্র গঠনের দায়িত্ব কার উপর ন্যস্ত? প্যারেন্ট বাবা বা মা বা উভয়ের ওপর ন্যস্ত। লিস্ট লিস্ট মিন্স মিনিমাম, বাট I can't be your mother, you are not my son. I can't get any scope to teach you right from wrong. At least I can do right now. এখন আমি একটা কাজই করতে পারি, is to wash your face. বাড়ি নিয়ে গিয়ে তোর মুখটা ধুয়ে দিতে পারি। To take care of you. Then she asked an motherly instinctive question. Are you hungry? এই অস্ত্রটা তুমি বহুবার বেকায়দায় পড়ে ব্যবহার করেছো। টিউশন থেকে বাড়ি ফিরতে দেরি করেছো, বন্ধুর সাথে দেখা করে বাড়ি ফিরতে দেরি করেছো, মা খড়গহস্ত প্রচণ্ড বকাবকি করছেন। You are sure that you can stop her by saying, I am hungry. খিদে পেয়েছে মা এটা বললে she forgets everything. She stops scolding, she stops shouting, and readily she prepares something for you to eat. This is a typical motherly reaction. So the lady asked the boy, are you hungry? The boy said, no ma'am. Said the being dragged boy. The lady was dragging behind her. টানতে টানতে তাকে নিয়ে আসছে, সেই অবস্থাতেই ছেলেটা বলল, no ma'am. I just want you to turn me loose. I don't want you to wash my face. I don't want you to prepare meals for me. I don't want you to take care of me. I don't want to be your son. I don't want you to be my mother. Only thing I want, please set me free. আমাকে ছেড়ে দিন. Was I bothering you when I turned that corner? What is the meaning of bothering? Troubling. When I was passing that street corner, was I troubling you? Did I interfere? asked the woman. No, ma'am. But you put yourself in contact with me. I didn't trouble you. I didn't bother you. I didn't come in your way. But you came in my way. তুই তো আমার সঙ্গে ঝামেলাটা শুরু করলি। You pulled at my purse. তুই তো আমার ব্যাগ ধরে টানলি, আমি তো তোকে ঘাঁটাতে চাইনি, said the woman. If you think that contact is not going to last a while, what is the meaning of last? টেকা, চলা। সেই যে আমার সাথে লাগলি, এটা এত চট করে মিটে যাবে যদি তুই ভেবে থাকিস, you got another thought coming, তাহলে তুই ভুল ভাবছিস। Think more wisely, more deeply, আর একটু ভালোভাবে ভাব। When I get through with you, sir, you are going to remember, highlight, learn the spelling, Mrs. Luella Betts Washington Jones. So, it is clear from Mrs. that she is a married woman. She may be widow, she may be a woman without having any children. It's not clearly said here. So, when I get through with you means when I have finished with you, I have some plans with you. When I will do one after another, then you will remember me for the rest of your life. What a sort of a dangerous lady I am. What a sort of a rough, tough lady I am. You will remember all through your life. Learn the full name of the large woman, Mrs. Luella Betts Washington Jones. So, call it a day. Read through the text, listen to the audio, and utilize your time. Don't waste your time. You have to cover the whole syllabus of 6 subjects, so don't waste your time. Have a good day.